got little, not little actually, I got 10 minutes late. So we will, catch up with the 10 minutes during the lunch break. I'll be joining you with lunch break. We'll stop sharply, by 12 o'clock because we have another speaker coming. So very interesting switch. All of you have seen the Shenoy Innovation Studio. You all visited the Design Innovation Center briefly. You saw some petrol pumps over there and you saw some, products which are on display. So some of your colleagues were there and I was discussing, what is this challenge? Why was I successful when I was in industry, and when I became a professor, I became a big failure? In what area did we fail? All of us fail in some areas. Same, I take you out of your academic environment and I put you in industry, you'll all be very successful. What is this challenge which we are facing today, which the ministries are asking, which all of us are in that board saying that, यार तू तो बच्चों को पढ़ाना भी, उसके साथ उनको incubate भी कराना, उनको entrepreneurship भी दे देना, and let them have great academic knowledge also. They should know their subject also very well. So you're a very, very big challenge. So we have to grapple this in a very, very strong way. How will we grapple in this situation? We were discussing yesterday, and all of you had a lot of questions, right? Please ask also. We'll let it be very interactive. But I'll show you one case study of a solar cooker just to show where we fail also very quickly. In the sense, we're very good in design because I'm from a design school. You're very good in engineering because you're from an engineering school. You're very good in management because you're from a management school. You'll be very good in humanities and understanding people and culture and societies for business because you're from a humanities school. But how can I get all those qualities in one professor who's guiding an incubator or a entrepreneurship or a creativity workshop? So what do we do? How can we tackle this problem? This was the question which some of you said was in your minds, right? All of us have that in our mind. And today everybody is saying, ye bhi lab lagao, wo bhi lab lagao. Yeah, I'm a specialist in mechanical engineering. I know how to put a mechanical engineering lab and do very well and train my student to go into join industry. But that was the old story today. Today, everybody wants to become an entrepreneur. Or most of us are now saying that we need to take industry problems and solve them. Take real life problems and solve them. What are these key differences when you take an industry problem and solve, and when you take a conceptual problem and solve? Tell me quickly, what's the key difference? Practical, but with that, will you be able to cover all your syllabus?
You're able to, but when we come to practical situations, it is entirely different.
So entirely different. It's a different mindset, attitude, and experience to solve industry problem. But we can actually bring it to. I'm a big proponent of using students to do industry solutions. Okay, and I'm just trying to negate myself now, so that we can address this situation very well. So this is one question we all were having. We'll discuss more at length during our lunch time. But I'll show you one case study quickly of how it looked great when we started with. But then, right now we still hope to succeed in that. And then I'll also share with you the collaborative innovation, like sections in the level. So we have great products in the country. The solar, we have these solar ovens. MNRE gives you a 50% discount. The cost is around 5,000 rupees, but still nobody is using it as much as it should be used. We know that the box type solar cooker, which is very good. Actually, people who use it swear by it. So we said we will look at what happens. This is the, today the situations have changed in the cities. We need more, lot of problems I encountered. This is all coming from because I've been given a task by Professor Milind that you need to address user aspects also. What is user in this whole picture? What is the issue of creativity in this whole picture? So we have three very important components: user, creativity, taking creativity to the next level, and the third important issue in it is crafting, design thinking. Today it's become a big word. I think Professor Bapat and all were talking about design thinking, building models very quickly and taking this forward. So what I'll do is I will show you quickly this presentation, and I would also like to take you for 10 minutes into this paradigm shift. This is all the work while in IIT as a professor. The paradigm shift will be when I was in industry in 88 to 90 and what happened over there. So that will be a little small story which I'll take, and I'll rush on these because all these are available in great detail, 4.5 hours of lectures online for free. So you can see all this again. If you want to go in depth, you can go there. But this is just like a preamble for you to understand what we are talking. It's available on Swayam platform. It's available on IIT Bombay X. We'll give you all those access. I'll be a little fast on it, so please stop me if there is any issue. So we study users very closely. We went and found out that these box type cookers are very difficult to operate. ऊपर छत पे ले जाओ, खोलो, डब्बा खोलो, it's very heavy glass, you put your utensils there, you can't even check whether it's cooked or not. How many times will I go up and down, and if there is clouds, I will not even know. Then I can't bring it back and put it in my cooker and cook. So multiple user problems. Identify all that very closely. Then there are enthusiasts who will not give up. They will sort of, whatever said and done, they will have different things on their balcony in Bombay. Bombay is the most worst condition for solar cooking, and we made a point for ourselves कि अगर बॉम्बे में सोलर कुकिंग कर लिया तो इंडिया में कहीं भी कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज यहाँ पर धूप कम है. When compared to other places, our temperatures now don't go 30 to 34 most of the part of the year. So we said if we succeed over here, we can succeed elsewhere. Okay, and then we saw the changes which are happening in the country, a lot of buildings, a lot of balconies, how people can use user perception, very strong. We spent nearly 6 months on user studies because that's my forte. I come from a design background. My job is, my professor only told me this: study the users very closely in their cultural context, in their environments. Don't sit in the classroom or in your office and study users. So that is so very critical that most of the time we procrastinate a need and we start building something. वो तो कभी चलेगा ही नहीं. So those type of user studies are very critical. Here the student did all that and tabulated. I'm not going to in detail on that. And then we have this idea generation creativity. So what all do? You start with a lot of sketches. Sketching is a very important component. In fact, my professor in mechanical engineering, I did my 1-year PhD in Karlsruhe in Germany as a DAD exchange fellow. And my professor in mechanical engineering would make all my mechanical engineering students sketch, because sketching actually gets you the creative ideas. It doesn't matter whether it is industrial design or mechanical engineering or electrical engineering. Your sketching is as important. Somehow we have put that in the backdrop. In most of our engineering education we put sketching on the backdrop, but like there, Professor Albers would take nearly one whole course on sketching for engineers. It is that important. Here we just take it in first year, koi padha liya, like chhod do, that type of thing. So very important for us, sketching for creativity, imagine, after you did your problem solving. And here we did a lot of sketching. We came up with a lot of options. What type of, big glass for solar oven, some of you will understand this. Then we thought of, then comes a very important change. We made some 40 ideas. We don't stop with 1 or 2 ideas. Why do you need 40 ideas? Professor Bapat and a lot of other colleagues did talk about multiple ideas, give you options to choose the best idea. It's not rocket science. Here, most of my students want to make one idea and take that idea to the next stage. Sochengi bhi nahi. It's not going to work. We have to come up with multiple options. Even in engineering, we have to come up with options and see which of the best option can work better. So here, so many options. We then finalize one, at least 3 or 4. And the most important aspect, which from the design school, because I come to design, we do something called model making or mock-up models and scale models. In fact, I'll again tell you, the best engineering schools and the best professors in engineering today are using mock-up models to build their engineering concepts. So what happens with the mock-up models? Tell me, what's a mock-up model quickly? Mock-up का मतलब है mock, ना? छोटा scale mock. If I'm doing a mechanism, I quickly make a small scale, खेल लूँगा उसके साथ में. Prototype is a full scale working item. Prototype is prototype. खत्म ना? There's no mock-up there. So if you start building a prototype day 1, what will happen? You have only one option. If I make a mock-up and play, I'll have all the options with me, और उसके अंदर से मैं एक उठा के उसका prototype बनाऊंगा ना. I'll make a prototype of that one, what I pick up as my best mock-up creative idea. So this is a very important aspect of building. So here, look at my student here, Avinash. He's building all these multiple options, which are mock-ups, small-scale models. Look at the size of the model there. He just took 2 bottles, PET bottles, chopped them together, put them into one another for making a double-walled shell. ना double wall चाहिए ना अपने को insulation के लिए. and is using the greenhouse effect for cooking. And his temperature went to 70 degrees even in this model. Then he's saying temperature is increasing. If I can make it more efficient, then I can start cooking, right? If it goes to 108, 100, I can start cooking, right? So that's a, if I, most of the things what happens is we engineers and designers cancel our concepts very earlier. ये काम नहीं कर रहा है, ये इसको काम कराना है हमें. Most of the ideas and see, that's the reason why we are in a lot of ambiguity when you're in the creative phase. Why we don't get creativity well is because we are always on an efficiency mode. I want everything right. If you want everything right, you can't be creative. You have to look at multiple options, multiple thought processes, multiple ways, and then think about, like, oh, now I'll analyze it. What are the best things to go about? So that's a very important, learning for us. So he, then what he did, he took 2 PET bottles, but everybody जो होते हैं ना, 5-liter cans, and then his temperature went to 80 degrees here. Within 20 minutes in the morning in Bombay, Jaipur में तो वो भागेगा. That will go to 100 in Jaipur straight away. ठीक है? And then the student makes a mock-up full scale model. अभी तक वो छोटा मॉडल बना रहा था, full scale mock-up, non-working. Why don't we make working models? Tell me. Quick. Why don't designers इस खिलौने क्यों बनाते हैं बार बार? हाँ नहीं. One strong reason why. Huh? To get the idea, number one. What are the key reason why you make mock-ups?
Changes will occur.
Changes you can do fast.
Before implementation, whether it works or not.
Before work तो नहीं करेगा ना, वो तो mock-up है, model है. You can check access. You can. ये एक ड्रामा है ना. आप समझो ना, इट्स अ ड्रामा. आई वांट टू पुट दिस मॉकअप ओवर देयर. अरे दरवाजा कैसे इसका खुलेगा, इसके काम कैसे करेंगे, इसका साइज, फिजिकल एट इसका कैसे. बट वाइट मॉकअप, उसको तो सीधा प्रोटोटाइप बना सकते हैं ना. ऑप्शंस नहीं मिलेंगे और टाइम कंज्यूमिंग यार सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम वो है. और उसमें कुछ चेंजेस करना है तो वापस टाइम कंज्यूमिंग. I'll take 2 years to make up my prototype only. Whereas if I make a mock-up, इस पे 15 दिन में बन जाता है mock-up. For that you need to make all the tinkering. आजकल तो बहुत famous हो गया ना, like tinkering labs and उसको क्या बोलते हैं सर आजकल? That Fab Labs. Fab Lab is all about tinkering. Quickly fabricate your mock-up in no time. So all of you have fundings in your colleges for Fab Labs and tinkering labs. है ना, नियरली हो तो बनाना ही है अपने को. वेरी सिंपल थर्मोकोल कटिंग मशीन चाहिए, ज़्यादा महंगा नहीं है वो. क्विकली थर्मोकोल कटिंग मशीन, वैक्यूम फॉर्मिंग मशीन, लेजर कटिंग मशीन. सिंपल लेजर कटिंग मशीन now comes at 5 lakhs, 4 lakhs. It cuts acrylic and plastic into multiple. We have seen all those machines, right? Laser cutting you've seen in Tata Center. It's available in IDC also. The 3D printing is now like so cheap. I must tell you this. We went to a 3D printing machine bureau. उसने बोला, and we had to make an urgent mock-up of one, for a national monument, Dandi. He said 80,000 rupees for making this container. Then we went online and checked 60,000 में machine मिल रही है. So we quickly bought the machine, quickly bought the material, and for 60,000, I got 5 components, not 1 or 2, because I needed 5. So that is the type of story now of 3D printing. Very easy. You got the lowest level 3D printing too. You've seen in mechanical engineering, we have a titanium 3D printer. Highest level. उसका 3D print करके you can put in your jaw, directly operate, and some people who have mandibular problems, bone problems, we actually do a CT scan, make the model, make the titanium piece over there, sinter it, annihilate and bring it back, and directly the doctor can put into the body. That will cost around 4 to 5 crores. So 50,000 machine to 5 crore machines. So today it's like really, really big. Anyway, sorry for digression. So this is the major issue of mock-up models, and I did this every time I went, and all my success stories are because of mock-up models, let me tell you. And then we do all this CAD modeling and visualization. I took 10 years to do research in collaborative innovation. और research का outcome क्या निकला? You have to collaborate with multiple agencies, and the biggest outcome was you have to visualize data so that other people can respond to you. Users can respond to you. If I make a sketch like this that आपने window में fit कर लो अपना oven, make a CAD model and show, then immediately you will tell me 10 suggestions. ये तो बहुत नीचे है, मेरा बच्चा भी छू लेगा, ऊपर कर लो. You may say that. Somebody else will say, oh, how will it fit in the window because my window is already sealed with a grill. You'll come up with 1,000 issues. As soon as I show you an image, the users will come with issues, the manufacturer will come, manufacturer will say, oh, I need a special bezel plate to fit it. Otherwise, somebody will sit at the top and the whole thing will fall at the back. You need to strengthen it. So 1,000 things will come by visualization, right? When you put it like this, so visualization becomes very, very critical in the next to the creativity level where you take it forward. And then comes the working prototype, where you build my student used polycarbonate bottles, right? So I used what? My student left by this time. When the student leaves, you are in great trouble. They get good jobs and they go away. You have to continue the project because you remember you came to the Innovation Center. It's an MHRD sponsored center where we have to take student ideas to the market. We are in the same boat like you. All the owners for the responsibility comes down to the faculty to showcase at least one success story. So here we are. So I went to Gujarat, spent around 45,000 to make this vacuum glass tube. Because vacuum glass tubes is the best insulation. And here we built the model and it didn't work. The glass thickness was so thick that all the energy was being consumed to heat the glass only. It was not cooking the thing as well as possible. It will work in Jaipur, but it will not work in Bombay. So we failed miserably after 1 year. Then we did a lot of experimentation of using double-walled polycarbonate and did this all again design thinking. See, making multiple mock-ups, checking out how things work. Then with all these studies, finally we reached 108 degrees, which is cooking temperature. Above 100, you're cooking. So as soon as we reached 108, we had big teams of people working. We had students from from the Energy Institute, TERI. We had 4 students from TERI. Tell me who all should collaborate if you're having a project on solar cooker? मुझे बताओ. TERI तो मैंने बोल दिया, energy. Who else should collaborate? Quick. Mechanical, you surely need mechanical, thermal. So we got the best. In fact, Professor Milin's friend, who was like a consultant to aircraft engines, we hired him at 1.5 lakh, more than my salary, for 2 days a week to do the thermal analysis of this. It's costly. It's not easy. If you have to do the proper analysis of temperature and thermodynamics and you have to make concept models, it takes time. Then who else is needed? Quick. Huh? Electrical में इसमें तो कुछ नहीं है ना electrical. Other than the temperature measuring. So it is because the whole principle, how is this oven working, tell me? The oven is working on a greenhouse principle. Capture all the sun rays, जो ऊपर से आ रहा है ना, sun rays, you capture it and don't let any heat escape. उतना ही इसका principle है. And for capturing, you have that black body inside. Without black body, it doesn't work. There's a metal black body which heats the thing. Okay, that's the only principle. Very simple 3 principles. So if to capture all the heat, we need professors from material science and metallurgy. So coating professor, one professor Dusane is like expert on coatings. उनका coatings ऐसे है कि धूप आ गया तो पकड़ लिया. That type of coating. ठीक है? Heat catch very well. So we went to him. Then he has a consultant from BRC who's working with him as an adjunct faculty. We requested him to give us the coating. Then he said you have to put up a plant the size of this room to build that coating so that you are the best coatings in the world. Okay? So coatings. और कौन चल लगेगा? Thermal analysis हो गया, coatings हो गया, polycarbonate. They are polycarbonate shells. If I use normal polycarbonate for the market, it will become very expensive. And it will not have the right. Who is anywhere chemical engineers here? Yeah, rheology, plastic rheology. You have to get the best additives into plastics to get it into get the right type of polycarbonate. So the polycarbonate has this property of taking in the rays at low temperatures and not let heat escape. Very, very good property. And when I did the glass one, I lost that property, right? So I failed. So I had to go back to my students' mock-up model. Here is one story where the mock-up model was better than the final model. That was an accidental thing, but in this case, the polycarbonate, the bottle, जिसने पानी का bottle use किया, did better than my glass jar. That's like, I always give this example of how you can go, wrong. So here we are, multiple people. Those are those engineers from aeroscience, aerospace department working on thermal analysis. Then we have, we built a whole team. And our first prototype, you see that prototype over there, put up in Delhi. at the at the president's exhibition called NIF. They did a large exhibition for thing, and you see that shape, and now everything is shape. Why do you need the slope at the back?
Water is for so that
Water or kaun sa? Very good, dust. All these things came by visualization. When you visualize that dust aa jayega to khatam, your aspiration is going down. It has to be dust free. So again, coatings, we put anti-dust coatings on it. Okay. Then the containers, the type of containers to be put inside. Then we called industry, because we take it to the market, we have to mold it, right? This particular product, tell me now, that glass one costed me 50,000 rupees per piece. The first prototype costed me this one costed me 30,000 rupees. Will anybody buy? Nobody will buy a prototype or a pilot production. This is a pilot production. This we need to understand. Nobody understands. They will scrap the project. Arey, bahut mehenga hai. We all have to realize that when your first mock-up, your first prototype, your pilot of 20 will cost you 10 times your actual, that's a general figure, 10 times your actual cost of the product. So agar mera 50 hua, so what should be my final product cost? 5,000. People will buy happily. Ahmedabad mein orders hai hamare paas 200 ke. I don't know why Ahmedabad, but Ahmedabad is very, very famous for using solar. They were swarming our stall. When will you supply? When you will give us that type of emergency? I'll show you. So this is again industry. My own student who was a success story with me for IIT Delhi, who has his own company, molding company. They're here analyzing how this thing can be mass produced for bringing the price down to 5,000. Then all these mold makers, we did a lot of study again back to square. Every stage you go back to the drawing board. The mock-up stage, you went back to the drawing board. The design thinking where you did multiple mock-ups and prototypes and things like that, you went back to the drawing board. From the prototype to the changes in prototype, you went back to the drawing board. So every time you are going to go back to your design phase to take your things forward. Okay, so here we are again now checking up what can we do when we go for mass production from prototype. In prototype, you use prototyping tools. For mass production, you use injection molding like buckets. Those tools are very, advanced. So here we are, we are re-looking at the shape, looking at sketches, what will be good. Again, I told you options. Very, very important. Multiple options of shapes. Here we are. And digital sculpting, doing the shape. Now it looks like, my director would come and say, Chakravarti, this product should look really like a classy product, he would say. It should not look like some, you're not taking care of aesthetics, you're not taking care of user interface. ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए. It should look like a good product. And he showed me an example of a roti maker designed in Singapore. It looks like a laser printer, but anyway, I don't subscribe to that. Roti maker should look like a roti maker, right? That's how designer should think. It should not look like a laser printer. But anyway, that looks like a laser printer, but that girl is doing well. She's an entrepreneur. She's selling all over the world now. The roti maker. The rotis come hot from the printer. हाँ, round, perfect round. ये dosa तो square आता है, अलग बात है. There's a new dosa maker now. My own student is working in Pidilite. Pidilite has a food business now, and they come up with a dosa which gives you a square dosa because the roller में आता है, mechanical engineering ना, roller में आके कट के बराबर सीधा सीधा मिलता है square. But the dosa is very well cooked, no problem at all. It's like and it's running in their canteen, so I'm like that they're just about to launch it in the market. So you do all the design details, take it forward. Lot of small models to now tell me, when I was making a prototype of the polycarbonate surface, I used vacuum forming dies. The tooling cost me around 9 lakhs. Vacuum forming dies, aluminium dies. When you were, some of you visited the PD cell in the bottom. You visited the product development area with palkis and all. No, some of you visited there. We had all these dies kept in a line. And now tell me, the injection molding tooling will cost me around 500 crore. So look at the difference. These type of budgets we never get. If you take, industry always has these budgets. They all know this. तुम्हारा design से market जाने के लिए क्या पैसे लगता है? Industry knows very well. We hardly understand that, and we want magic to happen. How will magic happen in universities if you don't have all these type of funding available, or don't have the legacy? We call it the legacy route, no? They said, Professor Milind was the head of SIGN here, which is a success innovation entrepreneurship. People come with the incubation, you bring in a lot of funding to them, give them a lot of support, and then you have success stories coming in. So you draw them out of the academic realm into a professional, conceptual realm to take things forward. So here we are. So develop all the tooling, all the manufacturing, like any industry, expertise. Show it how it will be mounted on the window, how from inside it will open into the house, either in the kitchen or in the bedroom, wherever you get sun. Because my importance is the sun. It should be on the east, no, where we get the where the sun. So that window should be there, and like where
Facing the south, no?
south where the sun moves, so that the whole panorama you get from the side, morning sun to afternoon sun, if you get, that's more than enough, or the afternoon sun to evening sun, depending upon what you do. So this is a big challenge. People say direct कौन खरीदेगा तुम्हारा product? You already cut off 50% of the people who don't have wall on the sun side. So here we are, multiple units. Now now we are going to go for, I was showing you about the tooling. These are all the tooling for doing the pilot production of 20 numbers, because if I don't do pilot, I don't know whether it's going to be successful. Remember, you saw the one prototype in Delhi I put that is working, like the industry was. So this is the prototype tooling, and this is the pilot production tooling. And then here you have the aluminum die, the vacuum forming, and you make 20 pilot. So when you make a pilot, what's the advantage? Again, you go for user studies. You have to go for user studies in mock-up, you have to go for users in CAD model, you have to go for user studies when you make a prototype, you have to go for user studies when you make a pilot. Every time you are improving your level of, development. So this is the, pilot production sample. This is how it is fitted in our studio. And it's also, like I've been, till the rain came, every day I was eating, rice from this cooker. Because till you don't personally experience your own product, it doesn't work. And all my team members, we all actually cooked only in this. And we call it the sunrise. Rice coming from the sun. But anyway, branding is very important. Packaging is very important. Installations are very important. For example, if you know how Tata Sky people put up the dish, this whole training program, they have a university like this where they get all the trainers, they sit and they have a wall in which they fix these dishes and they train them. So similarly, you have to train people to take it forward if you have to take the solar cooker forward, because solar cooker is totally dependent upon where the sun is. And if you put a wrong installation, you're gone. So here we are. So then we did an exhibition in Ahmedabad, very, very popular. People said, Hamara traditional cookers, monkeys are coming and breaking the glass. So this is a very good cooker. Now monkeys can't do anything. So we want this cooker badly. And they're used to eating from, solar cookers. And then we already have, orders pending from them, though we couldn't produce the mass till now. And then you didn't tell me one very important component of collaboration. Who all are left? Chefs at work. मैंने तो secret bar कर दिया. तो हमने फिर, we brought in from Dadar, one of the best colleges, catering colleges, we got 4 young kids. They made a booklet. इसमें से कैसे कैसे केक अच्छा बन सकता है, पास्ता अच्छा बन सकता है. Oh, they had a whole booklet of what is possible, and they also explained to us what about containers. So understanding every domain is very important for your design. So we need Terry, we need chefs, we need marketing, supply chain network people to see how installation. We need installation people. So multiple. So look at what all they made. We had a feast. That whole 2 months when they were there, we were every day evening we were having a great time. No, we are very focused. See, very interesting. जब भी आप कुछ काम करते हो ना, लोग और कुछ पूछते हैं. Focus, user focus is very important. Your user focus is individual family. Khatam. Don't think of anything else.
So can it be like, will it be fitted only at the wall?
No, it can be in your balcony also. This is an USP. In a trolley, exactly. It can be done in a trolley, it can be done on a table, it can be done everywhere. But the focus is it's for a family of 2 people.
And the sun should be there.
उसमें खाली चावल बस 4 लोगों के लिए बनेगा या 6 लोगों के लिए बनेगा मैक्सिमम. So we have to be that focus. No, we get only when you go to industry. नहीं वो जो भी है. पर मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको कि ये आप बहुत ध्यान से समझ लीजिए कि जब बच्चे कुछ करते हैं ना अपने क्लास में, उनको सब कुछ चाहिए ना. दे वांट टू डू फॉर दिस आल्सो, दे वांट नेवर फोकस. यूजर स्टडीज हमने बात की है. यूजर फोकस इज वेरी वेरी क्रिटिकल. Write it down as a formula. Without user focus and saying where your target user is, never do anything. Because people want to add more and more features to it, but that's not right. You market to your product and then you can think of other things to come up. Okay. So here we are doing now the testing. We have a terrace on IDC, so we had continuous monitoring. See, when you do pilot production, so I come from L&T background. Before I put a product in the market, we do testing for 1 year. I did petrol pumps. You saw my petrol pumps in my studio when you came in the Z line. So I'm a designer for those pumps, and we know what hell happens in industry. Why shouldn't it happen in the class? So we did all those. We wired them together on a on a computer and got all the data logging done to see how the temperature is rising, what's happening with the water, what's happening. Water is the toughest to boil. So we use water as the medium to take things forward and did all those tests. And then we went to the pilot testing to Jaipur, not Jaipur, Udaipur. So this is in Udaipur in one of the hotels over there. Thanks to the secretary ministry there, he's the father of one of our students in BTech here, so he supported us. So we went over there and we did all the testing in Udaipur. And then we got the Gyati Awards from National Innovation Foundation. Prasanil Gupta, the award also came, and so that's the whole journey of the solar oven. But where is it now? So we went to TTK, which is the largest manufacturers of kitchen products. So TTK, we went to the CEO, we had long meetings, and then finally the CEO said that our vice president went to market research agency, and they said the amount of market for this product is not enough, so we don't want to go with you. No harm. I'm just saying it's interesting what people perceive. See, any innovation activity, you'll have a lot of big bets coming in. Then whom did we go to? Tell me, who is the next best company we should go for?
Hawkins.
Of course, Hawkins. If you know Hawkins chairman, you'll not, because I'm a close friend of his, so I didn't go to Hawkins. But look at the synergy of the product. What is the biggest cost in this product? The polycarbonate shells. So plastic molding company. So we went to the Jyoti Plastics, which is the largest polycarbonate manufacturer who makes all your voting machines are done by my professor, A.G. Rao. The voting machines where you voted, those designs were done when I was a student in 1988 in IDC. Those round, nice voting machines where you punched with those large key. So those are manufactured by Jyoti Plastics. And Jyoti Plastics, CEO he said, "Arey, to kuch bhi nahi hai, main to bana dunga," that type of thing. But anyway, now we are still struggling with him to convince us. See, the CEO may want something, but how to convince the whole thing of a separate line. This is a separate line of product. So if Jyoti Plastics comes in, we get the advantage of plastic molding and technology and systems. So automatically my product cost will come down, and maybe, and then now we are thinking that we'll combine Jyoti Plastics and TTK, marry them together, saying that tu marketing karo, you produce karke dega. But abhi tak hua nahi. We just still, there's a live project which I'm showing you, still going on. Anyway, so this whole example, I told you mainly from, so the example I showed you mainly from point of view of understanding of the realm of the idea to the market. And there are two routes for this idea to market. One is the incubation route, where you make the student, build a startup. 3-4 people will be there, and they'll have different type of. Generally, it is good for a startup to have different type of skill sets. They take the skill sets and they take funding and they become successful, and that's one route. The second route is the technology transfer route, where you transfer this to a company like TTK, and there all the people in their company can start building up. So I was advising yesterday when we were talking to all our colleagues and teachers here, from the faculty here, that whenever we say good idea, we should benchmark it both with the users as well with the industry which is concerned with that idea. There's a very good possibility of success over there when we immediately take it to the right category of industry. If we move early, I've seen a lot of success stories even in SNDT over here. As soon as they move their idea to an industry, the students' project leapfrogged, and by the time they graduated, the industry was producing the product. Because what happens, the efficiency of the industry will come into picture. Okay, so any other questions? So we have got 15 more minutes. So here we are. So let me now quickly show you the case study. So now I showed you the academic case study over here. I showed you what happened in one project. I showed like that. I have 10 projects with me. Only one of them was successful out of this whole lot, which was the Palki for Vaishno Devi. Have you seen that Palki in the studio downstairs? All of you have not seen no? All of you have seen the Palki? We will share that video. We won't have time to show you the video. We'll show you that video. That Palki now, 100 Palkis are running. It was a dream. I think sir has already shown you the image of the Palki. This is a Palki. 4 people carry this in Vaishno Devi. And it's very, very tedious, long journey of 70 kilometers. The people who want to sit on the Palki are generally 140 kilos to 130 kilos. Very, very heavy. And and then the people have a lot of physical, disabilities after a couple of years. So we just embarked on this journey of reducing the drudgery. And Niti and we collaborated, and I'll show you quickly the video later. I'll send you the video through email. Before you people leave from here, you'll get it on your email through, and all that case study is available on platform also, in the SWAYAM platform. So you can use it for your classes. So all the videos are available for free on the platform. That also you can use. I'll show you the platform also quickly later on. So when you came to my studio, all of you saw something called the Z-line pump. How many of you seen Z-line pump in the market, the Z-shaped petrol pump? The shape of a Z, it's really old, dated now. It was there 15 years back, this pump used to be there. That was, actually designed by me after I graduated from IIT and joined the company. So let me show you a short Z-line story. Then I'll tell you what happened from there. So here we are. So that's the Z-line, and this happened in 1988. How many of your graduate 1988 graduates here? Not many. Most of you are younger to me then. So I joined. I passed out of IIT in the same school where I'm now teaching. I graduated there in 1988 and joined the company directly in L&T, which was close by. L&T was just next door at that time. So this is the product we designed, and later on, within 7 years, I joined IIT Delhi and started a design program there in IIT Delhi. And the competitor came to me promptly and said, "Abhi mera pura market khatam ho gaya. Abhi aapko aur ek product banana padega, because I also want to be in the market." I said, "It's possible. 7 years ho gaya." So when 7 years has happened, a lot of things have changed. What happened? Why do we need to constantly innovate? Just look at your mobile phones. Look at your laptops. They are cheaper. They are better. 5 times better, not 1 or 2 times better. But when my boss at that time in L&T told me that tumhara product should be cheaper than the earlier products and should have all the multiple extra features, I thought he was going mad. He gave me a brief. Your product should have all the new features and should be 25% less than the market. But now it is not true anymore. You're seeing all around you, because of mass production, because of high technology, because of new materials, your new products are cheaper than your older products. And they're better than your older products. And that's a very good example where you have your mobile phones and everything which you're taking forward. So I'll just show you the synergy of companies. This is Larsen & Toubro, very close by from this place. It's in Powai. And this is place where I was sitting in the R&D, and this is my factory for petrol pumps. And they had 12 divisions, very, very famous, with multiple engineering skills. I won't go in detail over there. Let me quickly go. Same principle, make mock-up, make ideas. Dekho, design is same. Study the market, come back, make idea sketches, make mock-up models. These are plaster models, small models in plaster. Make plaster models, make thermocol mock-ups. मेरे L&T में तो हंस रहे थे मेरे ऊपर. 90 they were finding it very funny that I'm making nozzles in thermocol. ये तो बच्चा है खेलने आया यहाँ पर. That type of thing. But it was so valuable, and after that I became such a celebrity in the company, all that laughing went away. Because the company which was having zero market captured the full market. And this is the predecessor, this thermocol model. Look at this model closely and go back and look at the scale model. So here we are. I'm just saying these are very valuable design thinking tools. Today we stopped working with hands. We stopped making models. That's a very big challenge. So look at this, and then we made two options. Then finally this option was selected. This is a prototype now, see. This is a prototype. Remember I was talking about prototype? Hand beaten, though in L&T there's nobody to make single piece. वो तो सब mass production वाले थे L&T में. So I went to a local craftsman in Marol, in Bombay, and that guy made it out of hand and gave it to me. And I brought it to the company and said, Abhi, this is your prototype. Because prototype making is very difficult. That's the biggest challenge, and we can actually use a lot of our craftsmen, to use the prototype making and take things forward. So then, after the first prototype, why will oil companies give you a job? Tell me, they won't give you order, no? Indian oil companies, Bharat Petroleum, Hindustan Petroleum and all, they will not give you orders just like that if you're L&T. So we begged and begged, went to them and said, please give us one order, we will put it together. They said, no, we won't give you order. But they gave one sample, pilot order, one product to a large company like L&T. It was so difficult to manufacture those one. So we actually made that single product and we installed all over Bombay, using the best CNC machines, using the best manufacturing facility of L&T, and we made these 4 models, and we installed them in Bombay, and then it was all the company people were so excited about the new product that they were shocked, because this product was having 40% less sheet metal. 25% reduction के बदले में 40% reduction in sheet metal cost, and that time sheet metal was imported from Japan. ठीक है? It was having a very convenient display. All the features were there, which was fabulous features. And on top of it, we added some very interesting technology in this. In those years, people used to trigger the nozzle so that they can actually cheat you. As if he's trying to adjust the display, he will trigger, and when he triggers, the sensor would go swing. Electrical engineers, how many electrical professors here? So the sensor, when you trigger the nozzle, the sensor would move like this. तो क्या कर रहा है वो? 1, 2, 3 काउंट करने के बाद में पहले ऐसे बिना कुछ डिस्पेंस करे, it is counting 3 counts. So you lose 30-40 ml. He's making huge amount of money. Millionaires हो गए थे जो पेट्रोल बेच रहे थे वो टाइम में. So then what we did, we added a unidirectional bearing कि एक बार कितना भी ट्रिगर करेगा पीछे नहीं जाएगा वो. ठीक है? So it will always go forward, and that became, and then what happened? The operators didn't want to use our pump. खराब है, इसमें से लो. ठीक है? So they were not, and then they will break my display. But we didn't give up. Then the new petrol pumps started coming up, and all of them sported Z-line, and every auto rickshaw fellow is going to only Z-line pump. They're not going to any other pumps. Line लग जाती है वहाँ पर, बाकी जगह तो कोई नहीं जा रहा. Then the industry, the dealers got to know, and they actually started implementing the Z-line everywhere, and it became a runaway success. Every station, for example, started sporting the Z-line pumps, and like see, look at this station, all in Andheri. This is in Juhu, Bandra. And then the shock is that oil companies had to give a tender saying Z-line petrol pump, और competitor को कोई product दे ही नहीं पाया. So we can reach that level of success if we go through the journey. And this was by 94, this was so successful. And to my shock, what they wrote in their reports? They wrote that Z-line petrol pump gives you better quality petrol. वो तो मैंने कुछ किया नहीं. वो तो हमने किया ही नहीं. Better quality petrol because the product is new ना. दिखने में अच्छा है तो उसमें better quality भी मिलता है. Quantity तो मिलता ही मिलता है. You get better quality petrol. That came in the BPCL report. Just imagine if you get better quality and better quantity, the product is going to bound to be successful. So, of course, better control is anyway there, and we use all the new technologies. I must not take full credit for this. I've got the best engineering team. I had the very young electronics team working with me. All of us were very young at that time. We had some 7, 8. We had the best electronics, military grade electronics in this, so they don't get ruined. So that's how we made the success story. So this became very successful. We designed one more product. And the shock is that use the methodology correctly, same methodology, go and study the product very closely. So हमने क्या किया? This time I used it as my PhD topic. My PhD topic was very challenging. That's why it took 10 years to do PhD. And IIT Delhi wanted to throw me out. वो लोग बोला 3 साल हो गए तुम यहाँ पर आ गए, तुम्हारा PhD नहीं है, बिना PhD के हम किसी को रखते नहीं है यहाँ पर. And they only invited me to come and join as a faculty. I didn't go there. I was having a great cushy job, 2 times the salary of IIT Delhi in 88, in 90. But that's the design program. Then they said, I told him, that's not, I can do anything. I can do PhD also. But that was a very big misnomer. PhD is a different ballgame altogether. All of you know that. But मैंने एक बड़ा गलती किया. मैंने बोला मैं PhD practical project बना के उसके ऊपर PhD करूँगा. Then I went to different departments. All of them threw me out. Being an assistant professor already, I went to polymer science and said, we'll do plastic product design, मैं PhD करूँगा. I'll do real projects and I will come and, Then he said, you will fail our competency exam, don't come to us. Then I went to mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering said, तू तो mechanical engineering कभी कब भूल गया, you're all doing design, industrial design, user-centered design and all. You're not fit for our department. So then my wife gave this idea. Women are very smart. She said, you go to management school. So when I went to the management school, they embraced. They said, "Oh, Ajao, like you do this project, we'll do management." So I did mechanical engineering as my undergraduate. I did industrial design as my postgraduate here, and I joined the PhD program of the management school. But it was not easy. After I joined the management school, I had to do courses like everybody. So I joined all the courses, but it was very, very good learning. In those I used to take the evening classes. IIT Delhi used to have the management program where all the industry people used to come and do the courses. Part-time program hota tha na. So I used to register for those courses, and who used to be my batchmates from Maruti Udyog, from companies like consulting companies, and a lot of these very, very good team, and classes used to be so interesting in the evenings from 7 to 8, and I did all that, and then I said, but still I stuck to that norm कि मैं 5 project ऐसे करूँगा. Success like L&T success ना. Successful or failure, whatever. I'll do 5 innovative projects, benchmark them, do research, do quantitative analysis, send them all to 200 respondents so that they respond, and then I will do my the thing. There's a tall order. So I started with great interest and dedication, and then it's really live project. ऐसा नहीं कि भाई कोई fictitious classroom project लेके कर लिया, वो तो आराम से हो जाएगा. Live project means the industry has to pay money. Industry has to pay money to IIT. We have to do this project. I have to benchmark it. I have to do all my literature review, literature search, everything properly get the gaps. Where are the gaps in innovation? What's happening in that? And then only address the whole situation. So we did that with very, very good details. So I did 5 projects. One of them is petrol pump. तो luckily आ गया मेरे पास. मैंने बोला यार तू तो you are like God sent. This is my PhD project. I will really do an innovation project for you. This is my student. My student will be the a person who will work on the design, and I will take it to the market. That was our strategy, and that's how we went ahead. So let me quickly show you how we did the Midco pumps shot, Midco to MPD to whole. I'll show you the whole journey. It's a very small company when compared to L&T. It is 100 the size of L&T, the company. So L&T's petrol pumps, then these are Midco's pumps. Midco was selling this pump before, and then the Z-Line completely wiped off this pump out of the market. So एक भी order नहीं है, बड़ा company, ownership driven company, no orders. So they came to us. These are the first sketches. I was guiding my student, and then in creativity and innovation, very important thing is creative analogies. मेरे तो PhD student है, हम लोग 7 साल से creativity improve करने के लिए देख रहे हैं, और creativity improves only when you take analogies. For example, if I am designing the water bottle, I will take inspiration from this bag. This is completely different. Just imagine, how can you design that water bottle better by taking inspiration from the bag? मुझे बताओ. अरे बैग में तो जिप खोलने के लिए उसमें तो threading है. Oh, can I have an easy way of opening? Can I have a zipper? अरे zipper कैसे लगेगी? Zipper नहीं लगेगी और कुछ करूँगा. Can I have an opening on side? You can go crazy just because, and creativity comes only when you become crazy, right? So this is called indirect analogy. So creativity में analogy is बहुत important होता है. Indirect analogy is the biggest difficult thing to learn, which we teach to students. But what is easy to learn is direct analogy. For example, I take this bottle and I take one more container, maybe some other sort of device where I am using like bottle के जैसा और कोई container होगा. ये वाला अगर मेरा disposable bottle है तो मैं और एक कुछ भी water container लूँगा. जैसे earlier जमाने में लोग पीछे टांग के जाता था, याद है वो किस्ती बोलते हैं उसे, हाँ, what do you call that? That leather one, हाँ, मश्क. तो that one, हाँ, तो उसके पास इंस्पिरेशन लूंगा, यार ये बॉटल बड़ा मुश्किल है होल्ड करने के लिए, आई विल पुट अ बेल्ट टू दिस. दैट्स कॉल्ड डायरेक्ट एनालॉजी. इसमें मैंने एक स्ट्रिंग लगा दी. स्ट्रिंग आजकल बड़ा सस्ता है, नॉट ऑल एक्सपेंसिव. सो आई पुट अ स्ट्रिंग ऑन दिस एंड आई कैन हैंग इट एंड गो, बिकॉज आई टुक डायरेक्ट इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम that product, or I can take direct inspiration from other sources. Like for example, I can see in direct analogies, you container to container. For example, I'll take analogy from say another oil jar, which is there to fill oil to cars. The shape is there, so I'll take inspiration from there and say oil jar में क्या, oil jar is very good because it's got a good flow. इसमें flow नहीं है. फिर मैंने क्या किया, इसको टेढ़ा मारा. So, I can drink with not less. So I already designed this product 4 times better now, just by turning this at an angle so I can drink more easily. Just by taking inspiration from the oil hydraulics. So that's called direct analogy. Because it's direct, there's no, both of them are taking container, whereas this is indirect analogy. So here I wanted a indirect analogy because I've been using a lot. So हमने बोला यार वो time में when I did the Z line, I was not taking analogies, but now I became a professor, so I'm doing a lot of research on creativity. So I said, what is the most sought after thing in that time, 93 में? 93 में सब लोग 93, 94, they were sporting Nokia phones in their hand. जैसे कॉर्डलेस फोन जितना होता था वो नोकिया फोन, इतनी बड़ी बड़ी फोन होते थे और हाथ में लेके घूमते थे लोग. तो बोला यार नोकिया फोन को इंस्पिरेशन लेना चाहिए. यू टेक इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम कंटेम्प्रेरी प्रोडक्ट्स. सो वी टुक इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम नोकिया फोन. वो देखो नोकिया फोन, नोकिया फोन को पेट्रोल पंप बनाऊंगा तो क्या होगा? मेरा तो अभी भी शौक है कि हम इतना फालतू एनोलॉजी लेके इतना हाईटेक प्रोडक्ट कैसे बन जाता है और हाईटेक में एडवांटेज कैसे मिलता है. जस्ट टेल यू, नोकिया फोन का एंटेना में से क्या निकलेगा भाई? नोकिया फोन के एंटेना में से क्या निकलेगा? एंटेना में से पेट्रोल निकलेगा, पाइप निकलेगा. ठीक है, तो हमने पाइप ऊपर से निकाल दी. ठीक है, और नोकिया फोन की डिस्प्ले कितनी बड़ी होती है? तो डिस्प्ले बड़ा करने से क्या मिलेगा? डिस्प्ले बड़ा करने से रीडिंग बड़ा होगा और हाईटेक लगेगा प्रोडक्ट. जेडलाइन तो पुराना जमाना लगेगा. ठीक है, तो उसको हाईटेक बना लिया. ठीक है, डिस्प्ले को साइड कर दिया और बॉडी सिलेंडर बना दिया लंबा. तो वेरी वेरी एस्थेटिक, बिकॉज नोकिया फोन का एस्थेटिक्स है ना. तो देखो नोकिया फोन वहां पर है. फर्स्ट स्केच डूडल्स. यू डोंट नीड टू बी, आई टेल ऑल माई स्टूडेंट्स, फॉर स्केचिंग यू डोंट नीड टू बी एन आर्टिस्ट. Please remember, all engineers should sketch only to talk to themselves, not to talk to somebody else. So just try this out yourself. Fill a whole book of gibberish from your thoughts. Sketch करते जाना, आप देखो कितना आपका creativity बढ़ेगा. You'll be shocked. So फिर बन गया भाई. The whole journey we did, small model, big model. I'm not showing the whole journey. Same formula, no change. And here the product is, the whole is coming from the. अभी मुझे बताओ, वो जो फालतू एनोलॉजी लेने से क्रिएटिविटी बढ़ती है ना. यू हैव टू फूल योर माइंड, यू हैव टू बिकम फूलिश, देन ऑल यू विल बिकम क्रिएटिव. तो वो ऊपर से निकालने के बाद तुम्हें शॉक, द डिलीवरी रेट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट. हाइड्रोलिक्स यार, मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर्स कितने लोग हैं यहाँ पर? मैकेनिकल द डिलीवरी रेट इंक्रीज बाय 10 लीटर्स पर मिनट. स्मूथ फ्लो. और ये तो बिल्कुल मार दिया जेडलाइन को सीधा, क्योंकि वो जेडलाइन अगर 400 कार सर्विस करेगा तो ये कितने कार करेगा? 500 कार सर्विस करता है. और डीलर को क्या चाहिए? क्विक डिलीवरी, ज्यादा सर्विस, काम खत्म. एंड न्यू शेप बेटर, बिकॉज जेडलाइन ऑलरेडी पुराना हो गया, 6 साल हो गया. न्यू शेप, एंड वी डिड एवरीथिंग, न्यू मटेरियल्स, न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी. वी पुट द मैकेनिकल पंप इनसाइड दैट, वी पुट द everything. We used CAD extensively. We did component saving. We had modular design. Whatever you can think of in engineering, we did everything in this, and we had the best products in the market and large market. This is the first prototype, working prototype directly in the field, because we prototype तो इतना high quality बन गया CNC manufacturer okay, that we don't need to keep it in the room. It can directly go to the field. This is the first prototype in the field working. I was also feeling somewhere, and then lot of innovative details, lot of low cost details, and large orders. 2 साल में L&T का प्रोडक्ट खत्म. मेरा ही था पर अनफॉर्चुनेटली. एंड L&T डजंट वांट टू बी नंबर 2. तो जिस कंपनी को हमने इंडिया से बाहर रखा, गिलबार्को, फॉर 15 years दे सोल्ड L&T टू गिलबार्को, बिकॉज L&T डिडंट वांट टू बी नंबर 2, दे वांट टू बी नंबर 1 ऑलवेज. तो ऐसे गड़बड़ हो गया. एनीवे, नाउ उसके बाद क्या हुआ अभी बताता हूँ. दिस होल थिंग हैपेंड, एंड देन वी डिजाइन मल्टी होज पंप्स. आफ्टर दैट लॉट ऑफ दिस मल्टी होज पंप्स वर नीडेड. This became again a runaway success. You can see all our Midco pumps everywhere, and the young son of this company came back from France, and Gilbarco offered a huge amount of money to this guy. So Gilbarco bought off the whole company now. Midco भी खरीद लिया. So अभी कौन है कंट्री में? खाली Gilbarco है, पर नाम है Midco, L&T product and that, but Gilbarco bought it. So if you have a successful product, but that man only wanted to make money. He didn't look at longevity. So this company also is sold. So that's the whole story of how, now what I did, I went to a startup. एक startup है जो इंडियन ऑयल ने क्या बोला, ए सारा गिलबार को खरीद लिया. I'll just come back. We have to make a startup of our own. There's a new startup who does digital marketing. He has a very high way of, he is a very good systems integrator and software guys. So they built a startup. So we are working with them to come up with the next product where, you know, you don't know, the product is not important, the user interfaces, the conveniences, आप जाओगे अपना मोबाइल में ऐप है, मोबाइल में आपका डिस्प्ले देखोगे, इन लोगों को करना बड़ा मुश्किल है वो. So the next level, you know, innovation has to happen to, you know, take that out. So this is how the whole, you know, success story went, and all the products you see outside, 90% of them are my design. And, you know, because of my PhD, I became very rich, I should tell you. This company gave me 70,000 to begin with, first year. Second year, they paid IIT 2.5 lakhs. Third year, they paid IIT 7 lakhs as retainer fees to me. And the final year, when we made 200 crores business, they paid 24 lakhs to IIT. So 24 lakhs is, even if you cut 30% out of that, it was 3 times my salary. So like, you know, so finally we, you know, and out of five PhD topics, एक success गया, बाकी चारों वहीं को वहीं है, but those are also available online. I'll show you sometime. Okay, so that completes my presentation. So you had some question?
Yeah, so many designs. Why can't companies put the designer's name on it?
Very interesting. See, idea is not valuable. A company is always a collaborative effort. So if you put a designer's name, you're giving unnecessary importance to the designer. You must not. वो पुराने ज़माने में होता था. Celebrity designers. No way. You have to merge, melt with everybody. Then only you can do, you know, good design. So today, for example, I can't take credit for everything. I got hundreds of people, you know, working together as a team. And that's what my research was all about: collaborative innovation. You need to bring multiple, you know, people together to do innovation. Yeah, any other questions, please?
Did you file any type of patent for this?
Yeah, we filed a patent for Z-line design registration. We said Z-line shape of pump, so nobody else could, you know, nobody else could, you know, come into the market. And then at that time, you'll be very surprised. I was very much against patents. I said, 6 साल में जब मैं company every 6 years or 5 years and I can change a product. What will I do about patenting and wasting my money? And I followed the same. No, it will be very interesting. You see, I followed the same rule after I came to Design Innovation Center. Ministry ने बोला, you are number 20 in the Design Innovation Center. I said, why? You didn't even file one patent or design registration. Then I hired one because now I have to. Now that has become the yardstick. Not whether your product is in the market or not. The yardstick is how many patents you have filed. So, you know, within last 1 year, I filed, you know, I have nearly 18 applications pending, 5 granted, and like, you know, 6 design registrations granted. So 6 plus 4, 10 हो गया. तो अभी थोड़ा सा I'm like, you know, moving ahead in the ladder in my. So where ranking ना, like आपने research papers करना पड़ता है. Institutes में ranking है सब कुछ आजकल. So you have to work for the ranking, you have to work for the real product also. You have to work for both.
For a product, there are several students, BTech, MTech or PhD
Yes.
students or scholars contribute. So whose name you generally choose to put in this type of patent file?
Very good. अरे मैं तो सभी का नाम डालता हूँ. In the design registration, the people who spend, see for example in my innovation, if I'll share this thing with you, we have something called the core team. Core team में सबका नाम आना चाहिए. तो 8 लोगों का नाम डाला है मैंने. PhD स्टूडेंट का भी नाम है, मेरा प्रोजेक्ट स्टाफ का भी नाम है, बिकॉज इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी कांट बी सॉर्ट ऑफ, यू नो, कर्टेल. सी व्हेन यू आर वर्किंग ऑन अ सैलरी, यू नो, माय वाइफ वाज आस्किंग, तुम तो सैलरी पे कर, उनका नाम क्यों आना चाहिए? इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग ना. यू आर पेइंग सैलरी टू अ प्रोजेक्ट स्टाफ हु इज एन इंजीनियर फ्रॉम सम अदर कॉलेज. ही इज वर्किंग डे एंड नाइट ऑन द प्रोजेक्ट एंड नाउ वी आर फाइलिंग ए पेटेंट. सो टू डी पुट हिज नेम और नॉट? What is this difference between intellectual property and a salary and a job? जो इंटेलेक्ट होता है ना, उसका हम लोग वैल्यू दे रहे हैं ना उसको. तो यू गिव 5% वैल्यू, बट यू टू गिव दैट वैल्यू. इनफैक्ट आई हैव अ बिग फाइट विद द स्टूडेंट. फैकल्टी स्टूडेंट का अगर प्रोजेक्ट है ना, तो मैं 50-50 देता हूँ. स्टूडेंट्स नॉट हैप्पी. तो पूरा मेरा आइडिया बोला, मैं तेरे को नहीं बताऊंगा, तेरा आइडिया कहाँ से आएगा? बड़ा मुश्किल है. उनके पापा लोग भी फोन किए मुझे बीच में. इनफैक्ट लाइक वन ऑफ माय स्टूडेंट्स डैड कॉल्ड अप एंड सेड, व्हाई आर यू नो टेकिंग 50% आउट ऑफ दिस यू नो पेटेंट फाइलिंग, which is right. Then I had to explain to him, and he was whom, you know, he was a commissioner of income tax of Bombay, the chief commissioner of income tax. उसकी daughter थी. But good, we talked a lot and he understood how the whole journey goes. And in this journey, the technology idea is 10% of total patent. जब पेटेंट करते हैं ना, आपने देखा ना जर्नी पूरा. इनफैक्ट अनदर वेरी, so let me show you one very interesting journey which is called the valleys of death. तो वैल्यूज ऑफ डेथ में हमने क्या किया, पेटेंट का भी कन्वर्टेड दैट इनटू अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग सी एक्चुअली व्हाट हैपेंस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेज व्हेन यू मेड द आइडिया, टेल मी ऑल ऑफ यू, I have a professor called Soumya Mukherjee. He is a dean of students and he runs a lab in biosciences, and he's got a very he got 20 years of experience in working on using optical fiber technology to come upon to do sensing of any minute particle, any minute impurities in water. मैंने इन वाटर, इम्प्यूरिटीज इन वाटर, सो यू हैव दैट ऑप्टिकल फाइबर, उसको स्लाइस करते हैं, उसके अंदर वन ऑप्टिकल फाइबर गोज नॉर्मली, द अदर ऑप्टिकल फाइबर गोज विद द स्लाइस, एंड ऑन द स्लाइस यू पुट एन इम्प्यूरिटी and you measure the difference and you come up with the evaluation. Okay, just so he has a lab of 20 MSc students, 2 PhD, 5 PhD students, and he is working on this technology, and now we are trying to make it a product, water sensing product. ठीक है, तो मैंने इनको जाके पूछा कि you have got so much knowledge domain, so what do you think for this product to go to market will be your contribution? आप बताओ कितना होगा उनका contribution? How much contribution should I give to that research when the product goes to the market? How much percentage? Quickly, आप कितना बोलोगे? 50 बोल रहे, आप कितना बोलोगे?
50.
हाँ, किसी ने 10 बोला? 10 बिल्कुल बराबर आंसर है. 10 कोलैबोरेटिव है ना. रिसर्च को 10 से ज़्यादा दोगे तो मर गया, रिसर्च आएगा ही नहीं बाहर मार्केट में. वो नहीं समझते कोई भी ना, दैट्स अ बिग प्रॉब्लम. आइडिया का कोई वैल्यू ही नहीं है व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट टेकिंग टू द पीपल. So much of research is just lying, languishing, just because all the professors and lab people think that I need 50% royalty. 100 रुपया अगर कमाया उसने profit, so you should not even ask for more than 5 rupees, 2 rupees out of the 100 rupees in the total journey. So this, I was very happy when Soumya said, Chakravarti, I know, because he's a senior to me also. He said it is 10% is my value out of the total value when it goes to market. Research value 10%. उसका फिर हमको we have to make it into a product, उसका 10% होगा. Product से फिर marketing का काम होगा, उसका 10% होगा. Supply chain का 10% होगा. Like industry setup, manufacturing का 10% होगा. आप समझो ना कितने components हैं ना market में जाने के लिए. Marketing का 10% होगा. So this is the big lacuna for us, that when we think that हमने research कर लिया, idea बना दिया, मुझे पूरी की पूरी percentage चाहिए. Hi, welcome. How are you doing? Nice to see you. ठीक है, so we'll go for और कुछ question था, last question?
Sir,
हाँ.
sir, if we design a new product, so should we go for new brand or new company, or should we go for the collaboration for the company?
Very good. New product. If you go for to the company, what's the advantage? You'll come fast in the market. But he will take 90% of your value. Because तुम्हारा 10% है तुम्हारा. याद रखो 10%. And please do that, then only you'll go into the market. If you start your own startup, you'll take 10 years to go to the market. You would have made more losses than what you've done. But if you're passionate, nobody is there, you can take it to the market yourself. And then you would have investments coming in, you would have things coming in, the same thing will happen. So you're not going to make, both of them are equal. But we have to understand that, in fact, हम तो अभी फ्री में बुलाते हैं इंडस्ट्री को, यार प्लीज आ जाओ, ले लो ना प्रोडक्ट, मैं तो टूल भी बना के देता हूँ उसको, प्लीज सेल इट फॉर मी and then give it to 2% revenue. He has given, one company gave us 2% revenue. That is, if he makes 1 lakh, he will give me 2,000. 2% of 2,000, हाँ 2,000. ठीक है? So that basically that much of, we need to give that much of value to the company. Okay? So we'll again catch up, and then I'll send you an email. You be on touch and please look for Swayam. Swayam is the MHRD platform, and the course is called Innovation by Design. लिख लेना please. वो बहुत मुश्किल से सर्च करना है. Website is very bad यार. अभी तो लगा नहीं है. It's going to come up. It's going to be loaded again. You also download the app, Swayam app, and if you get a chance, download the old app. If it allows you to download, it won't allow you to download an app, old app. But the new app doesn't have the course yet. They're going to upload in a couple of days. So Swayam MHRD, the course is called Innovation by Design. Okay, so this by the time you go back home, hopefully it will be uploaded and be all available. Most of the case studies are available online. Yeah.